Are you considering becoming an Amazon Flex UK driver and wondering if it's a lucrative opportunity or a waste of time? In this video, we dive into the world of Amazon Flex UK and explore the pros and cons of this popular gig economy job. From pay rates to flexibility, and the demands of the role, we'll give you an honest review of what to expect. Whether you're looking to make some extra money on the side or replace your full-time income, this video will help you decide if Amazon Flex UK is right for you. So, is Amazon Flex UK a lucky opportunity or a total bust? Amazon Flex in the UK is a delivery service platform that allows individuals to work as independent contractors, delivering packages for Amazon using their own vehicles. Designed to complement Amazon's extensive logistics network, it offers a flexible way for gig economy workers to earn money by choosing delivery blocks that fit their schedules. Drivers are paid per block, with earnings typically ranging from £13 to £17 per hour depending on location and demand. This platform has gained significant popularity among gig workers due to its flexibility and accessibility. For those looking for a side hustle or supplementary income, Amazon Flex provides an opportunity to work on their own terms, without the constraints of a traditional job. Its low entry barriers, requiring only a vehicle, smartphone, and valid driver's license, make it an attractive option for students, part-time workers, and anyone seeking control over their working hours. In a rapidly growing gig economy, Amazon Flex stands out as a convenient way to turn spare time into earnings, appealing to those who value independence and quick income potential. However, it also comes with challenges like operating costs and fluctuating work availability, making it a hot topic among gig workers in the UK. Is driving for Amazon Flex a dream job or a nightmare? For many in the UK, the promise of earning between £13 and £17 per hour while setting your own schedule seems like a golden opportunity. With minimal entry requirements, just a car, a smartphone, and a valid driver's license, it's a side hustle that's accessible to thousands. The independence of being your own boss and the ability to quickly pocket extra cash make it especially appealing. However, beneath the surface, challenges can arise. Rising fuel costs, vehicle maintenance, and insurance fees often eat into profits, leaving some drivers questioning if it's worth the effort. Shift availability can be inconsistent, especially in low-demand areas, leading to unpredictable income. The pressure of strict delivery windows, combined with urban traffic woes, adds a layer of stress to the job. And unlike traditional employment, Amazon Flex offers no benefits, no paid leave, pensions, or job security. For those with a reliable vehicle and a knack for managing expenses, it can be a lucrative and flexible side gig. But for others, the challenges and costs may outweigh the benefits. So, is it really a dream job or just another hustle? That depends on how well you navigate the fine print of being an independent contractor. Amazon Flex UK offers both opportunities and challenges, depending on individual circumstances. It provides flexibility, allowing drivers to choose shifts that fit their schedules. Earnings are decent, typically ranging between £13 and £17 per hour, and the entry requirements are relatively low. The role offers independence, making it appealing for those seeking control over their work hours, and it's a convenient way to earn extra income quickly. On the other hand, there are drawbacks. Expenses such as fuel, vehicle maintenance, and insurance can significantly reduce earnings. Shift availability can be inconsistent, particularly in areas with low demand, leading to unpredictable income. Tight delivery schedules can be stressful, especially in urban areas with heavy traffic. Since drivers are classified as independent contractors, there are no employee benefits like paid leave or pensions. The physical demands of the job, including frequent lifting and walking, can also be taxing. For those with a reliable vehicle and a need for flexibility, Amazon Flex can be a viable side gig. However, it may not be the best option for individuals looking for a stable, full-time income due to its variable nature and associated costs. Amazon Flex offers a unique opportunity for gig economy workers in the UK, but the overall experience depends on several factors, including individual goals, operational costs, and market demand. Driver experiences with Amazon Flex can vary widely. Many appreciate the flexibility it provides, allowing them to choose delivery blocks that suit their schedules. This aspect makes it particularly appealing for students, part-time workers, or individuals with other commitments. However, some drivers report challenges, such as tight delivery schedules that can feel stressful, especially in high-traffic areas. Others note that navigating unfamiliar neighborhoods or dealing with package-related issues can add to the job's complexity. Amazon Flex drivers in the UK typically earn between £13 and £17 per hour. While this seems attractive on paper, actual take-home pay depends on factors like fuel costs, vehicle maintenance, and insurance. Earnings can fluctuate based on the availability of delivery blocks and demand in specific areas. During peak seasons, such as Christmas or Black Friday, drivers may have more opportunities to work, but competition for blocks can also increase. Compared to other gig-based delivery platforms like Deliveroo, Uber Eats, and DPD, Amazon Flex stands out for its relatively higher hourly pay and the structured nature of its delivery blocks. Unlike food delivery services, Amazon Flex drivers usually deal with parcel deliveries, which may involve fewer short trips but more stops per block. On the downside, Amazon Flex lacks the tipping culture common with food delivery services, which can significantly boost earnings on platforms like Uber Eats or Deliveroo. In terms of benefits and job security, Amazon Flex is similar to other gig economy roles, offering no employee benefits such as paid leave or pensions. Drivers on traditional courier contracts with companies like DPD or Hermes might have more consistent income and support, albeit with stricter schedules and lower flexibility. Amazon Flex strikes a balance between flexibility and earnings, making it an appealing choice for those looking for supplemental income or a side hustle. However, like other gig economy platforms, it requires careful financial management and planning to maximize earnings. Drivers must weigh the freedom and income potential against the costs and challenges to determine if it's the right fit for their goals. Have you tried Amazon Flex or worked with other gig economy platforms? We'd love to hear about your experiences, both the highs and the challenges, in the comments below. Your insights might help others decide if Amazon Flex or similar opportunities are right for them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. See you there.